The Goovilla heavy-duty shelf brackets are made from thick, solid iron in a single stamped piece, which gives them impressive strength for supporting substantial shelving loads. Their right-angle bends are consistently accurate, so shelves sit level against the wall without annoying tilting or wobble once installed correctly. A textured black coating adds both grip and corrosion resistance, helping wooden boards stay put while also protecting the metal from moisture and wear over time. The kit comes with clearly labeled hardware for multiple wall types, plus a small level, making it straightforward for even a novice to mount the brackets securely. These brackets are engineered to work with wooden, plaster, and concrete walls, so they adapt easily to different rooms and renovation projects throughout a home. With multiple length options in the series and a simple, unobtrusive design, they suit everything from kitchen and bathroom storage to decorative shelves and even pet climbing setups.